Salam and hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing really well. So in this video I get on with a couple of chores which include doing a bit of cleaning, organizing my fridge. I make a bit of Play-Doh and I thought I'd share it with you in this video. So I don't actually need to talk very much in this video. I'll just put a bit of music on and you can just chill. Maybe it'll motivate you to do a bit of cleaning as well. Or you can just watch me while munching on some chocolate. Sounds like a plan. Anyway, yeah, so it was a lovely dull day. The house was a mess. The kids got hold of some bananas and spread it all over the floor. And while one of the kids did a bit of the washing after breakfast, I thought I'd get on with cleaning the living room because it was sticky. It was disgusting. So I like using Dettol. I also like using Zaflora. I was out of Flash floor cleaner, so I had to make do with Dettol. But it did smell lovely anyway. So I just basically got on with cleaning the living room. Ideally, I like to clean when the kids are sleeping, but sometimes you just have to do it when they're awake because they don't sleep 24/7. Do they? I've got Haroon with me right now, by the way. So if you hear any baby noises, that's not me. Yeah, I was just moving the sofas out of the way. So I like to brush under the sofas, then mop, and then set the covers. And yeah, I do it in sections. That's how I do my cleaning currently. How do you do your cleaning, everybody? Do you move everything out of the way? Mop and brush? Sorry, brush and mop, or hoover if you've got carpet, and then put everything back? Or do you section like myself? So Ayub was messing about as always. Haroon was being carried hither, dither. Is that even a word? I said I wouldn't talk too much, but clearly I've got too much to say of no use. I'd mopped 2 days before, but it was so sticky. I don't know what the kids had been playing with, but Ayub does get a lot of slime and Play-Doh, and a lot of the times we do eat in the living room, so the floor gets quite sticky because Haroon mainly throws everything on the floor. Please ignore the scribbles of pencil on the corridor wall. So the living room was nice and clean. That lasted probably 1 hour. So I had to give Ayub and Haroon a shower after that. It was only morning, like 11 o'clock or something. Because they were all sticky as well as the living room floor. The kids were sticky. So Ayub was begging for Play-Doh, and it was one of those days that I didn't really want to go out. The kids were home, so they kept the little ones entertained, but clearly not entertained enough. I looked up making Play-Doh at home, something I've done before, and it's really quick and easy. So some plain flour, salt, oil, a bit of food colouring. Mix it with some warm water. And that kept the little man happy for a little while. And as you can tell, he's doing it on the floor that I've just mopped. Something I've been meaning to do for a while is clean and reorganize my fridge. It doesn't need an intense organization, but it was a bit messy. So I'm basically just cleaning out and organizing my fridge. I did a thorough clean, which means I took out all the trays and the glass panels or whatever you call them. The fridge always beeps if it's left open too long, so you have to open and close it, which is a good feature actually. I do rather like it. Haroon had managed to take a tomato from the stuff from the fridge. He was hiding under the table with it, the cheeky little minx. So yeah, I'm just washing the trays and the containers, and it was really boring. I'm not going to lie, it was a really boring job, but it's just one of those things that you have to do. Oh my god, it's not as boring as cleaning the cooker though, and the oven. Oh my god, nothing. That was Haroon that. Nothing is as bad as cleaning. Okay, Harry. Nothing is as bad as cleaning the cooker. I'm sure there's worse chores, but it's one that I really hate. Harry's just blowing bubbles in my face. What's one of your worst chores, like your household duties, or maybe even in your car or whatever? What do you hate doing? But it's something you have to do. It's nice though, once all the containers and stuff and panels were all clean and just putting everything back together. That's the nice part, but getting to that stage isn't fun. But you make the time go faster. You put a video on, an audio book, a podcast, if the kids let you, like if they're not screaming in the background or if there's not nursery rhymes on instead. It definitely makes the time pass much faster. So our fridge actually might look quite empty. It's because I do the freezer meals, so our freezer is actually quite packed with meals for the week. You'll probably see all the stuff in the fridge and be like, how does that feed any of you in the house? Because there's quite a few of us. Yeah, a lot of it is just freezer meals, which is great. I'd peeled some garlic and ginger and I put that in a little pot to make it easier sometimes when I want to cook, just to have it peeled there. Yes, I've got the jugs for some juice, orange juice and mango juice. Got these jugs from Poundland, of course. Where else? And there's my lovely organised fridge. Like, it's amazing how much more space there is once you clear everything out, and once you get rid of all the fruit and veg packets, which take a lot of space. So once I'd done that, I put on dinner. So we were going to have a roast dinner. Got some leg of lamb. I'd marinated it with, I can't even remember what, just lots of herbs, onions, lemon juice. So I just covered it in foil, popped it in the oven for, I think it was 2 hours. And while that was baking away, I had a little shower, which was much needed. I did smell wonderful after all that cleaning. So once I took the lamb out, I turned it over and then covered it with some of the juices. Popped it back in the oven for a little while. And then made the gravy. And it was really delicious, mashallah. And Haroon was just having lots of fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some joy. I don't know why it would, but maybe motivated you, or you just enjoyed watching it. Jazakallah, thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.